Welcome to Oxford County. I am so thrilled to be back here in the region, partnering up with Tourism Oxford and Ontario Southwest Tourism to put together another video for you all. This time we're going to dive a little bit deeper into the culinary scene to showcase some of the unique culinary experiences you can have here in the region. First up, we're heading to Innerkip to Thames River Melons. This family-owned and operated farm began in 1984 and has since expanded to over 500 acres of produce. They sell all kinds of fruits and vegetables, from strawberries and melons to asparagus and squash. You can pick your own or visit their farm market for ready-picked produce, preserves, and baked goodies. For a truly unique experience, sign up for the Harvest Brunch. This interactive tour will have you cooking a meal from ingredients you'll harvest right from the farm. Farmer Alex will lead you through the experience, which starts off with a visit with the chickens and gathering some eggs for your recipe. You'll then head into the fields to harvest your own fruits and vegetables. As a registered dietitian, Alex is passionate about sharing about how your food is grown, its nourishing properties, and why supporting your local producers is so important. Next, you'll head into the brand new farm kitchen to prepare your brunch. This is a hands-on experience, and Alex and her team will guide you through the recipe and share some cooking tips and tricks. Finally, it's time to enjoy all your hard work with a sit-down brunch out on the farm. Sit back, relax, and take in the beauty of one of Ontario's most bountiful agricultural areas. Next, head into Woodstock and learn all about how that morning cup of coffee is made with Early Bird Coffee's Roasting Lab. Established in 2018 by owners Elio and Kate, Early Bird Coffee is Oxford County's only small batch coffee roaster and cafe. Their open concept location allows visitors to watch the beans being roasted while enjoying a cup of freshly crafted coffee in their cafe space. The Roasting Lab allows participants to dive deeper into how coffee is made. Led by Elio himself, you'll first be guided through a tasting experience of Early Bird Coffee's light, medium, and dark roasts. You'll discuss the different flavors and notes, the coffee growing regions in the world, and where Elio gets his ethically sourced premium coffee beans. Next, witness the roasting process from start to finish. The whole process itself only takes about 12 to 13 minutes depending on the roast you choose. And you'll get to see how the beans transform from green to a perfectly rich dark brown color. Lastly, you'll get to take home a half-pound bag of the beans you just freshly roasted. But before you leave, make sure to stock up on any of the 8 varieties of coffee they roast to enjoy at home. Now we're heading to Bright, Ontario to Udderly Ridiculous Farm for some gourmet goat milk ice cream. Launched in the spring of 2019, owners Cheryl and Greg Haskett had plans to expand and modernize their third-generation farm, and created Utterly Ridiculous Goat's Milk Ice Cream in the process. Inspired by their herd of goats, they now have a lineup that includes 6 flavors, and even won Best New Dessert in Canada at the Canadian Grand Prix New Product Awards in 2020. In addition to their award-winning ice cream, Utterly Ridiculous offers farm life experiences. These activities offer the chance to experience farm life, learn about food production, and the animals that support it. There are a number of activities to choose from, including alpaca walks, picnics with alpacas, goat recess, which essentially is a playground for the goats and visitors, and of course, goat yoga, a gentle 60-minute class led by a certified yoga instructor. After the activities, browse the market and shop products that are sourced locally, and then cap off the day enjoying their delicious goat's milk ice cream. Next up, we're heading to Burgessville to Berrylicious Fruit Farm. This 75-acre family-run farm started back in 2002 when owners Wendy and Don planted their first crop of pumpkins. 2 years later, they planted blueberries, and 10 years after that, they opened their doors to pick your own customers, offering raspberries, elderberries, blueberries, and more. Getting outside, enjoying time with family, and reconnecting with the land are very important to both Wendy and Dawn, which is why they created their Picnics in the Patch experiences. First, you'll enter the canopied blueberry patch, learn about and taste the different varieties of blueberries, and be guided on best picking practices. You'll then be given time to pick your own gallon of fresh blueberries before sitting down for a picnic in the berry patch. There are 4 different picnic options to choose from, including Snacks in the Patch and Sweethearts or Besties Picnic in the Patch, which include deliciously prepared dishes and refreshing drinks. The experience will both literally and figuratively fill your bucket. Looking for a chocolate fix? Head into downtown Woodstock to Habitual Chocolate. They are the largest bean-to-bar chocolate maker in Canada, roasting cocoa beans in-house and producing 20 different handcrafted chocolate bars. Owner and chocolate maker Philippe prides himself on making chocolate with no additives, using cocoa beans, cocoa butter, and cane sugar. The bars are also soy nut and gluten-free, with dairy-free and sugar-free options. A new addition to his shop is the artisanal ice cream. Visitors can pick up a sample pack that includes 4 flavors, such as chocolate chip, strawberry, brie, and beer, made with ingredients from local Oxford County businesses. And lastly, you can't visit Oxford County without exploring its most popular culinary experience, the Cheese Trail. Known as the dairy capital of Canada, Oxford County has a rich cheese-making history that dates back to the 1800s. At the height of its cheese-making production, Oxford County was home to 98 cheese-making factories. Today, you can learn all about that history and more along the self-guided Cheese Trail. The trail consists of over 25 stops featuring cheesemakers, restaurants, hotels, and local businesses, all using cheese and dairy products produced in the region. You'll likely need multiple visits to the region to visit all the stops, but a weekend getaway will allow you to visit quite a number of them. Either way, start your visit at the Ingersoll Cheese Museum to learn more about the history of cheese in the region. Step inside a replica cheese-making factory and take a picture with a replica of the mammoth cheese. And let the kids try their hand at cheese bingo or run around the cheese-themed playground. After that, visit a cheesemaker to learn how their cheese is made and purchase some to go. Dine at a restaurant using locally produced cheese in the region and visit some of the businesses that incorporate Oxford County cheese into their products. All right, well, there's 6 fantastic reasons why you need to add Oxford County to your must-visit list. If there is an experience that you are really excited about, that you really want to try first, please leave it in the comments below. I want to give a big thank you to Oxford County Tourism and to Ontario Southwest Tourism for partnering with me on this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet already. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you soon.